Oh yeah. We'll have to see if the camera got that. The person was pulling out of there and pulled into traffic and got a glancing blow. And you notice that the person pulling out had to be looking in the direction of the sun. And the reason why that comes to mind is because yesterday when I was just a little further up at the store up there, that's exactly the trouble I had. I was begging people to come to a long line stop and let me get in without me having to actually pull out into moving traffic. I'm glad it was a low-speed hit and they didn't bounce into me, because sometimes that happens. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. A short while ago when I made the turn to come in here, I saw a little accident. Like, this car is trying to pull out, and the car that was in that position pulled out looking into the sun and clipped somebody in the green light lane. So what am I going to do? It's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to see if I can find where they're waiting for the police to do the... Yeah, I can see how it happened. I'm looking into the sun. I'm clear. See, I was where that car was right there. Now, if they clipped each other, they would be pulling into the parking lot here, presumably. You think they could have reconciled it all with the shit? There it is. There it is. Yeah.